Welcome back to Bokan's Tech Tip of the Week. I'm Emily Patterson, Service Manager at Bokan CDJR. On this week's episode, we're going to talk about why it's important to change your cabin and your air filter. Now that winter's over, have you turned on your AC? Do you have a dusty, musty smell coming from your vents? It's probably because of this, your cabin air filter. The cabin air filter filters out the air that you breathe inside your vehicle when your windows are up and your AC is going. Inside your vehicle, this is where you'll find your cabin air filter, located behind or underneath your glove box. And this is your engine air filter. It helps prevent dirt and debris from getting into your engine. Under the hood, you'll find an air box where your air filter is located. When should you replace these filters, you ask? We recommend once a year or every 12 to 15,000 miles, whichever comes first. And that concludes this week's Tech Tip of the Week. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And remember, at Bokan, you can.